guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? So today's video is all about DIY hair grow. So I'm going to show you all how I did my hair grow oil for my hair. So guys, this is carrot. I have carrot inside this jug with olive oil. So that is olive oil. So I'm going to introduce you to all the things that I will be using in this video. This is green tea. The green tea is to stop excess hair shedding, because green tea is very good to stop excess hair shedding. So this is olive oil, 100% pure olive oil, guys. So this is grapeseed oil, 100% pure grapeseed oil. So the next is almond oil, sweet almond oil, guys. This is also 100% pure sweet almond oil. The next is castor oil. So this is all the ingredients plus caffe, guys. I'm also going to put caffe inside this hair grow oil. So this is my measuring spoon and a cup to measure all the oils that I'm going to mix together. So if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. To my old and new subscribers, you guys are welcome back to watch this video. For clicking on this video, you are highly welcome, and also thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I'm just going to measure 2 cups of olive oil as my base oil. You can use any of this oil as your base. So I choose to use olive oil as my base because it's more, I have it much, because the rest oil I don't have that much. That is why I choose olive oil to be my base oil. So after adding the olive oil, I'm going to add the rest ingredients inside the oil. So this is caffe. I told you that I'm going to use caffe, so I'm just going to add 1 cup of caffe into that olive oil and carrots that I have inside that jug. The next, I'm going to add this green tea. So I'm just open the pack and pour the green leaf inside the jug. So I think I use about 3 to 4 pack of green leaf. So I'm just going to open all the pack and pour the green leaf inside the oil. So guys, please give this oil a try. It's going to really make your hair grow. All these ingredients that I'm using, they are very good for hair grow. They are very nice and also contribute a lot to hair growth, to hair loss, and all that good stuff that you need in your hair is inside this jug right here. So I'm just going to mix everything and add the rest of the oil inside this jug. So now I'm going to add just a spoon of almond oil, because I don't have enough almond oil. If you have enough almond oil, you can add about 2 spoons or 3 spoons of that. So just make everything inside. That is just going to happen. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how, I'm going to tell you how you can use this oil in a proper way for your hair to really grow, and you will see the result in 30 days, guys. You will see the results of your hair grow. So this is grapeseed oil. I'm going to add about 2 spoons of grapeseed oil into the jug. Just add everything together, just 2 spoons of grapeseed oil inside the jug. So I'm going to also add castor oil, about 2 to 3 spoons of castor oil inside the jug. Then I'm just going to mix everything together and put it inside hot water. I'm going to put it inside hot water for it to heat up a little. Then I will leave it to soak for overnight. I'll leave it overnight to soak very well. So the next thing is just to take the oil out and start using it. So guys, this is the oil that you can use. Just going to put it inside this container, this applicator bottle that I have. So you can use this oil every night before you go to bed. Just massage it into your scalp very well, and also on your health every night before you go to bed. I use this every night. I also use it for my pre-poo, for my sealing oil. This is the oil that I've been using. I really help my hair to grow strong and healthy without shedding, without breaking. Guys, this oil is all you need. Give this oil a try and you are going to really love it, guys. So if you are not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button, that notification bell, so that anytime I upload a new video you will not miss out, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all for coming to watch my video all the time that I post a new video. I really appreciate you. Enjoy yourself. Happy Christmas, happy New Year in advance, and I will see you guys in my very next one. Use this oil very well and you will see the result, guys. Massage it to your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes and go to bed every night. And also use it for your pre-poo. If you have not been pre-pooing your hair, start now. Bye. I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.